students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna learn the difference between a few and a little. So a few views with countable noun. The word a few is used for countable noun and a little is used for uncountable noun. Right? For example, liquids or powders, etc. So we have examples regarding this. First one is a blank books. So books we can count. Books does not include in uncountable noun. Books are countable noun. We can count the books. So for countable nouns we use few. A few books. A blank people. We can also count the people. So for countable noun we know we use a word few. Well, next one is a blank coffee. Coffee is a form of a powder and powder is uncountable noun. We cannot count the powder. So for uncountable noun we use the word little. A little coffee. Next one, a blank cups of tea. Listen guys, here is not talking about only coffee. We are talking about here cups of coffee. So we can count the cups of coffee. Cups of coffee are countable noun, right? So for countable noun we use the word few. A few cups of coffee. Next one, a blank oranges. Oranges, as we know, we can count the oranges. Oranges are countable nouns. So we will write here few. Next one, a blank orange juice. Orange juice is a form of a liquid. Orange juice is a form of a liquid. So we cannot count the liquid. So liquid is uncountable noun. And for uncountable noun, we use the word little. A little orange juice. A blank sugar. Now, you guys tell me this one in comment box. Sugar is a countable noun or uncountable noun, and also what will be the correct answer for this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.